Welcome, and may what I share with you this day contribute to a life of wonder and aliveness for you. What is your source? What is the source of your energy? No river can run without a source. Nothing here on earth can begin unless it has a source. A tree has a source, it's a seed. And that seed then grows to become a tree. What a magnificent miracle anyway. You started off as an egg and a sperm, and look what you look like today. The mysterious, infinite possibilities of growth and of expansion, of becoming more. Think about it. Who's right now breathing your lungs? Who's making sure that your heart's beating? Who makes sure that the 70 to 120 trillion cells in your body is functioning right now at a quantum level? They can't even be seen with the naked eye. Your skin is microns thin, and it's holding together a mass of flesh and bones and tendons and muscles and blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. It's mind-boggling to think about the miracle of this body. So now, how do you start with self-care? First and foremost, you must be willing to listen to yourself, to listen to a voice inside you that's kind, that speaks to you with respect, dignity, and honor. Not the voice of ego that's constantly telling you how you're not good enough, how you should do more, how you lack this, how this is not enough, how that falls short. What is the source of your life? The source of your life is that you can trust yourself because you do your best and you listen carefully to the voice of your higher self, of the intuition, the one that is guiding and teaching within. You don't have to go out there because you cannot ask a question unless you already know the answer. How can you ask a question about something that you don't know? If you don't know that you don't know, you can't ask a question about it. So trust yourself to listen and receive the guidance that comes to you all the time. It's a sacred energy that's in transit through you, and it's constantly guiding your life. What a wonderful way to self-care, just to become aware of that again.